Hello friends, my name is Amit. Welcome to NET and Quality YouTube channel. Friends, in today's video we are going to see about joint efficiency and radiography testing. So here joint efficiency is actually a design-related term. So in relation to joint efficiency, you should know the joint efficiency. After that you define how to do its radiography, etc. Okay. So you must have heard the name radiography. Spot radiography or no radiography means radiography is not done many times. So what is its basis? This is joint efficiency. Okay, so to define joint efficiency, here we have to follow the ASME code, which is in the section of Division 1. How to define joint efficiency is given in complete detail. So in today's video I will tell you in detail. I will tell you this is a video. I am going to make it in two parts. So, in the first part, in order to understand joint efficiency, first we will have to understand what is the category of joint. What is the category of joint and what is the type of joint? Okay, so here you understand both these things. Only after that you will understand what is joint efficiency. Okay, so in the first video, we will understand both these things. Apart from this, further we will see that its section is Division 1. What are the things that you will have to see in it? So for that, first of all, you will have to see the close here by doing YDW3. Apart from this, if you look further, then YD is 11 and YD 12. Okay. You will have to see all these closes. After that, and the last, you will know how it works. Okay, so all these things we are going to see in detail. We'll tell you the complete idea in detail about how it works. And how can you define joint efficiency? And after that you have defined joint efficiency. Then after that you will know how to do its radiography, etc., which is written in Chapter 11, that which joint you have to do and how to do its radiography, etc. Okay, so we will see all these things in detail in both these videos. If you have not yet subscribed to our channel, then definitely subscribe to the channel and share this video with your friends and colleagues. Apart from this, you can take membership of our channel by using Join Teacher. I have made many member. I have told the practicals, etc. So to get access to all these videos and to support us financially, you can use the Join picture. So here, first of all, joint efficiency and radiography. So before understanding radiography, you will have to understand completely how joint efficiency works. After that, I will tell you how to apply it in radiography. So see, joint efficiency is the term used in the section codes for designing pressure vessels. It refers to the strength of welded joint compared to the strength of the material being welded. So, whenever you do any welding, etc. in welding, this is your base metal. It is called base metal or perin metal, and this is your weld metal. Right, so this perin metal and base metal, you have to compare both of them. That is, how is the strength? This is your comparison. What has to be done is this is your weld metal and this is your parent metal. Okay, so on that basis the joint efficiency is decided. So this is a comparison of the other. This joint efficiency of one means that the weld is as strong as the material it's joined to and is considered to be seamless. Okay, so the joint efficiency is one. It means that your base metal and the weld metal, it means that both the parent metal and weld metal stand the same. It's okay, and it can also be called seamless. Seamless means that there is welding. No, you can assume that it is completely base metal, which means that its joint efficiency is 100%. Okay, the value of joint efficiency is between 0 to 1. 1 means that you have 100% joint efficiency. Apart from this, 5.7 is how you get the joint efficiency will be different. Okay, further we will see how it happens. Okay, so if there is 1, then the best is the weld, which is strong. On the other hand, the joint is fissy P. 50 means that the joint is only half as strong as the material is well taken. Okay, so let's assume that the joint efficiency is PF. So what does PF mean? This is what half of it is. Its strength is that half. The strength of your well is half that of base metal, okay? You can say this, meaning it is at 50. Okay, so further we will see. A table is also given in it. Understand joint efficiency in ASME. First we have to understand joint category. That is, it is given in YD3, and weld joint type, okay, which is given in EDL 12. Okay, so you have to understand both these things. First, what is joint category and what is joint type? Both of them are very important. Okay, and second thing, here, I had already made a video of joint category a long time ago. Okay, I had told in detail about the joint categories and how different ABs and CDOs are. Okay, so you can see that too. We'll tell you in short which types of joints you get. Okay, apart from this, we will also see the joint types. Okay, so let us see the joint category first. So the simple meaning of category is location. Okay, remember the category means where is the location of your joint. Then see the term category is used here. Definition of the location of a joint in a vessel. Okay, so the location is here. Any vessel you make, it has a shell, a nozzle, a descent, a nozzle, a flange, right? So all these things are there. You put a joint in it. You join it by welding, then. There are different joints according to their location. It has been given a name like this. One is written as A. Okay, it is called long seam. Okay, so the shell which is there. You join its plate. To make the shell, you join the plate from the middle. This is a long seam joint. By the way, it is B category. Here, the joint of shell to nozzle is called D category joint. Apart from this joint of nozzle to flange is called C category joint. Okay, so this is a type of location. Anyone is your L. The location of any weld is its category. So here you have made such a shell. Suppose this is your long as I am. Okay, this is a category joint. Similarly, this is also your long as I am. This is also a category joint. This is your sum here. Okay, so this is your B category joint. Now look at it. Head means that you have descent, etc. So how will it remain in it? Then you have made the descent seamless. So it's okay. Otherwise, let's assume that there is some kind of welding like this. Okay, so it is welding. What does it mean that the welding is considered to be in a category joint? Here it is a joint. Okay, here, this entire joint will come from the back till here. So it will be called in a category joint, right? So this has to be remembered. Apart from this, the actual head here is the head, which means descent. There are two types in it. One is hemispherical head and the other is toruspherical. Okay, so it is hemispherical and elliptical or elliptical is also called toruspherical head. So it has a hemispherical head, which is your disc. It does not have a straight edge. Okay, the one with ellipse, it has a straight edge. Like here you can see, this one here has a straight edge. Okay, whereas here there is exactly this curvature surface. So doing this, the entire curve is in hemispherical. From the hemispherical head, the joint with the cell is to be considered as a category joint, and the toruspherical or elliptical head is to be considered as B category joint. Okay, this is the cell joint. You have to consider it as B category joint. Always remember this. The dish to cell joint and the aspherical is the same. And the toruspherical joint is the D to cell joint. It has to be considered as B category joint. Okay, so remember this. Apart from this, C. What will be called D category joint here, which is the joint of your nozzle to nozzle. Okay. Here the joint will come. Here also this joint is okay. You have to consider all these joints as D category joint. What will be called C category joint of your nozzle? This is the neck of the nozzle. The joint from the neck to the nozzle means this is the joint. Okay, this joint, we'll call it C category joint as the well of tube sheet. Tube shut means it is the joint of cell tube sheet, so it is also considered a C category joint. Apart from that, it is flat or flathead weld. So all these are what you have to consider in C category joint. Right, so remember this. we will see a table of ASME. So you have to keep this thing in mind in it. Apart from this, you will see second section. In Division 1 of ASME, so in this table, this figure has been given by him. Okay, so this is the figure. All the joints in it are your vessels. Suppose, then all the joints in it. How do you have to take the category? The complete details are given like this is your dish here. Okay. And all the joints in the dish, they will be considered as a category joints. This is your sum, D. Apart from this, here this is C category joint, which means that your flange to nozzle is the neck. It can also be the nozzle neck or main hole. Right, apart from this here, this is a category joint. Again, this is a B category joint here. Okay, all the joints are given here. So if you refer to YD3, whatever it is, then you will get this figure. Now category, we have just seen the type. Okay, the type of joint. If we talk about type means geometry. Okay, always remember this. Okay, what we saw in the category. Category means location, while type means geometry. Here, there are total 8 types of joints. Okay, on S you will see YAD12. There is a table given in YAD12. If you look, you will see according to AWS, which is the standard of American Welding Society, there are many types of joints in an SM. These. If you look at the joint efficiency in YAD12, there are 8 types of joints given. Okay, which are these 8 types of joints? We will see. Okay, in YAD12, you will also get the table of joint efficiency, so see what type 1 joint will be called, but the joint is welded from both sides and from one side only without permanent backing step. Okay, so you must have seen back chipping, etc. This is the type of welding. Okay, you do the welding from the other side also by back gouging or making a groove. Okay, so the joint of this type will be called type 1 joint. Okay, further we'll take the example of type 1 joint and we will also see how we count the joint efficiency, etc. Okay, so the welding here is done on both the sides or it can be on one side also. Okay, but here there will be no backing strip, etc. Okay, second one. Type of joint is butt joint welded from one side only with a permanent backing strip that achieves full penetration and fusion. So here you have applied the backing strip on the back side. Okay, this is also butt weld and you have done welding by applying backing and strip. It is full penetration welding. Okay, so it is counted as type 2 joint. Type 2. Okay. This is the type of joint. There are different types of welding. There are type 3, what is the joint called? Then butt joint welded from one side only without permanent backing stop that cannot be verified as having achieved full penetration and fusion. So this is also a butt joint, but here there will not be a permanent backing strip. Okay, and secondly here there is no permanent backing strip and we will not be able to see from the other side. Okay, know whether it has got full penetration or not. Is it okay? There is this type of joint in which there is no backing strip. There is no permanent backing, and on the other side it will not be possible to verify whether full penetration has been achieved or not, whether fusion has been achieved or not. Okay, this is type 3 type of joint, which is type 4. So, double full fillet lap joint. Okay, this is fillet lap joint. The joint will remain here. Okay, that means it has both sides. This will be called double full fillet lap joint. So this type of joint will be called type 4 joint. Total here there are 8 types of joints, but here we will discuss only 6 types of joints because what is its region? We will see further joints which are not considered for radiography. Type 5 joint is single full fillet lap joint with plug weld. Okay, so there are 2 types of joints. One is lap joint here, one is made by us, and the other one here is plug weld. Okay, here if you look from above, it will be seen like this. Okay, so this is type 5. This joint is number 5. Type joint is number 5. Okay, after that, the joint of type 6 is full fillet lap joint without plug well, so there is no plug well in it, and it is single. Okay, that means there is only one side. There is nothing here. Okay, and single means your joint is here only. This is also lap fillet lap joint. Okay, plug well is also not there in this, so this is type 6 types of joint. Will be called okay. So this is the whole system. These are the different types of joints. you will get them in the SM code. For this, you will get this YD12. Okay. You will have to refer to this table which is there, and if you want to see the joint category, then for that you will see YD3. Okay, YD3. If you see, then the categories of joints will be found in different ways, right? So in this video, we have covered this about the joints. What are the types and the category of joint? How is it defined? Okay, after this I will make the next video. We will see the joint efficiency, how it is actually calculated. That is also yours. It is a part of YAD12. Okay, you will get it in that, and on the basis of that you have to know how to do RT. Okay, so this is written in YAD11. Okay, so we will see this in detail. I hope you have understood this video. If you have any doubt in this, then let me know. You can ask in the comment box. Okay.